Down in the jungle where the green grass grows, a gentle giant slithers where the river flows. With beautiful scales and a pattern so grand, let us meet the coolest snake in the land. There are 40 different species living on the ground, 40 types of pythons sliding all around. They are sentient beings, they are aware and smart, with feelings in their body and a big pumping heart. A python has no ears, so it cannot hear a shout, but it feels the ground shaking when you walk about. The vibrations tell the snake if danger's getting near, while it tastes the warm air with a tongue